In this video, I'm going to show you what to do when you have lost your tools. And so you need to go to Windows, and if this was something that you just accidentally closed, you can go to Recent, and you should find both of them. So there's my toolbox, and then there is my layers, channel path, and undo. And so this is what you should have, and you can see right now that they are not attached. They're two separate windows, and so, or three separate windows technically. And so what I need to do is I need to go to Windows, I need to undo my single window mode, and then I need to do single window mode, and that will put everything back together for me. You can resize like we've seen in another video, and I have everything like it's supposed to have. Now if your options were not there, like if I came to Windows and I did recently closed and there was nothing here, you can look at the dockable dialogue. The dockable dialogues. There's my tool options. Well, that's that right there. And I can also see my layers, which is right over here. And so you can add anything. You can even have multiple of these. And so if I'm missing my tools, okay, there it is right here. Or if my layers is missing, I can add that as well. Or I can put it somewhere else. I can pick this up and I can move it right over here. So it's right next to my tools. So you have the ability to move things anywhere you want them in GIMP. And so if you lose them, you can always get them back by going to Windows.